In war, maintenance of supply lines is the very crucial and decisive factor in victory and defeat. U.S. Army is operating around the globe, and there are many tough terrains where it is not possible to maintain the supply lines, for instance, Afghanistan and Iraq. There is a long and expensive route, full of risks which are currently used to transport the goods to troops in Afghanistan and some other part of the world. Due to lengthy routes, normally it takes days to supply basic equipment to the troops at the ground. This can put the troops' life at risk along with the success of the operations. There is need for a reliable alternative, and the American establishment is actively looking for these safe, inexpensive and quick alternatives, which can be used instead of ground routes. The alternative should be so quick that it can reach to target in hours, not in days. Here comes the Elon Musk and SpaceX to solve this problem through the reusable Falcon rockets, which are successfully used to deliver the payload in space many times. You are watching Space Logics. For current updates about space technologies, please stay with us. SpaceX is now collaborating with the U.S. Army to build a rocket that could transport weapons systems anywhere on the globe in merely 60 minutes. This comes days after Elon Musk SpaceX inked a United States $149 million contracts with Pentagon to develop missile tracking satellites. Initial tests can be expected by as early as 2021. Currently, U.S. Army is using C-17 Globemaster for transportation of heavy equipment and supplies around the globe. The C-17 aircraft cost $218 million and can fly at a top speed of 590 miles per hour. In comparison, the proposed high-speed SpaceX rocket will be able to travel at 7,500 miles per hour. This essentially means that a journey from Florida in the US to Afghanistan could be covered in an hour with a payload the equivalent of what a C-17 Globemaster can carry. As per the US Air Force's official website, a C-17 Globemaster can carry a payload of over 74,000 kilograms. This is not the first time that Elon Musk SpaceX is collaborating with the US Army. There are the media reports that SpaceX Starlink project is also used by the U.S. Army and Air Force due to its advantages over their conventional satellites. Similarly, in September, SpaceX signed a deal with the U.S. Space Force, enabling it to reuse rockets to carry national security payloads. Reports at the time had pointed out that Elon Musk SpaceX will reuse a Falcon 9 booster to carry the fifth GPS-3 satellite to orbit in 2021. This deal is expected to save the U.S. Space Force at least $52.7 million in a single launch. The active collaboration between SpaceX and U.S. forces will further strengthen the operational capabilities of the U.S. Army in terms of navigation and transportation. If this project will be successful, then it will be the first time that rockets will be used for the transportation of goods on the Earth. Conventionally, rockets are used to transport the payload out of the Earth orbit. Hope you will like the video. Please let us know in the comments section below about your opinion on this project, and please also suggest us how we can make our videos more interesting and engaging for you. See you next time. Have a good day.